Every time we go somewhere, I gotta reach down in my purse to pay your way and your homeboy's way, and sometimes your cousin's way. They don't never have to pay, don't have no cars, hang around in bars trying to hang around with stars. Like Badu, I'ma tell you the truth, show and prove or get the boot. I think you better call Tyrone. Call him and tell him come on.